What if I told you there are people making money online right now while you're just scrolling? Not because they're smarter, not because they're rich, but because they learned a few things most people ignore. And honestly, if you don't understand these things, you'll probably waste months, maybe years, trying to make money online. Most people start online earning with excitement. They watch motivational videos, open random accounts, try drop shipping, freelancing, crypto, AI tools, affiliate marketing, everything at once. And after a few weeks, nothing. No money, no progress, just frustration. Then they start thinking maybe online income is fake. Maybe success is only for lucky people. But that's not true. The real problem is simple. Most beginners never learn the rules of making money online. So before you start your online journey, here are the things you absolutely need to know. First, online money is real, but it is not fast. Social media made it look easy. Earn thousands in 1 week. Make passive income while sleeping. Get rich using AI overnight. Most of that is marketing. Real online income takes skills, patience, and consistency. Second, skills make money, not motivation. You can watch motivational videos all day, but if you can't solve problems for people, you won't earn. Learn a valuable skill. Editing, writing, coding, graphic design, marketing, AI tools, sales. Even one strong skill can completely change your life. Third, you will fail in the beginning. Your first video may flop. Your first client may reject you. Your first business idea may fail. That doesn't mean you are a failure. It means you're learning. Every successful person online went through this stage. Now, listen carefully. The internet can completely change your future, but it can also destroy your focus. Too much scrolling, too much comparison, too much distraction. You start watching other people succeed while your own dreams stay unfinished. And that is the dangerous part. The same phone in your hand can either make you money or waste your entire life. One decision changes everything. So if you truly want to earn online, stop chasing shortcuts. Pick one skill, practice every day, stay patient, stay consistent. Because small daily effort creates massive results over time. And one day, you'll look back and realize the thing that changed your life was the moment you finally started taking yourself seriously. If this video helped you, subscribe and start building your future today, because your online journey might begin with just one video.